Hey everyone, my name is Soumya and welcome to this video. Welcome to my channel. For today's video, I wanted to share with you guys few brain games that we can play with our dogs. Now, brain games are really important as it helps in stimulating your dogs mentally, and there are lots of other benefits as well. For example, it helps in killing your dog's boredom, and then you will see for yourself that your dog is better behaved now as he's been less destructive because you are utilizing his energy positively. Dogs have lots of energy and they need to drain that energy. They will do it one way or the other. Now if you are not going to help them drain their energy, then they are going to find a way by themselves and they will be destructive. They will do things like eating out of trash and chewing onto things and all that. You might have observed it for yourself, like on some day, even if you did not do some physical activity but you had a lot of mind work to do on that day, then by the end of that day you feel very exhausted and tired. So this is the same thing and a proven thing for dogs. Like engaging your dog in some brain game even for 30 minutes will make them very tired. Now physical exercises are definitely important. That is one way to make your dog tired, but these mental exercises, they will make your dog smart, and if you practice these regularly with your dogs, then over time you will see that your dog's reflexes and responses are becoming very sharp. In fact, not only this, it will be really helpful for you guys also. Like on some days you cannot take your dog outside to play because of bad weather or some other situation, so you can play these games with your dog indoors. Now the games that I'm gonna talk about does not need any fancy equipment or anything. Most of the items or even all of the items would be easily available at your home. So let's start with the games. For the first game, what we need is a towel. You can basically use any cloth. Lay it out on the floor and put some treats, and you have to roll this towel and then make a knot. Keep it loose and there you go. Give it to your dog. Now he will use his sniffing power to get those treats. Gradually what you can do is make this knot tight and it will be one level up now for your dog. You can also use a bigger towel and lay out more treats and maybe make multiple knots if it allows. Or you can do one more variation. Take a bigger cloth, lay out the treats on floor and then cover it with a cloth and then let your dog search for the treats. The second game that we can play with our dog is take few bowls or cups or glasses, whatever you have, and place the treat under few or all the glasses and let your dog find out the treat and eat it. Okay? Wait. Search. Good boy. The next game that we can play with our dog is, I have a bottle here. I have cut out some holes like this. If you can see, this one's a little distorted. That was the first one I tried, so okay. And then put some treats inside of it, close it and give it to your dog. Now your dog will try to find a way to get those treats out from this bottle. He will hit it with a paw or he will roll it over and he will do things. Just let him play with it, observe, and yeah, that will again make him use his brain to get those treats. And then my favorite toy, Kong. I use it a lot to play with my dogs. Sometimes I put in dry treats inside of this and then I give it to my dogs for playing with it, and it keeps them busy. It again stimulates them mentally to get those treats out from here. In case you do not have any of these items, you can use any other thing that is available at your home. Just use your creative side and try to make a toy out of that. Like you can also use a cardboard box, small box if you have. You can just seal it from all the sides and make a hole in that. or make few holes in that, and then you can give it to your dog. He will again try to roll it over to get the treats out, and like that you can make many toys at home. And if not, I mean, if you do not want to make any toy at home, then there are a lot of brain games for dogs already available on Amazon. Anything will work. This is it for this video, guys. I hope you liked it. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and let me know if anything, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.